We service the whole Sussex County, Delaware, from Rehoboth to Seaford, from Sevierville to Milford. My responsibility is to make sure the operations, the maintenance, sales, just make sure the whole Millsboro division is running at one pace, like everybody's working together to get the job done.
I come in, I reconcile tickets, help get the guys where they need to be, route roll-off, route front end throughout the day. End of the day, I do all the reconciliations as well. Then I print and schedule the routes and get everything out for the guys. Went into the industry, started on the back with trash truck, and from there worked my way up to driving rear loaders, driving front end, driving roll-off.
So when I was younger, my grandfather had a trash company. So when I was like 3 years old, I was always riding in the garbage truck with him. Something I always wanted to do. I started on the back of the truck, and I started as a driver and worked my way up until I got to where I'm at today.
It's pretty good. You know, I come in every day, get the job done, go home to my family. I just like to keep moving. You know, I'd rather, instead of standing on my feet all day, I'd rather be moving, get a little workout in here and there.
Tashan is my helper. It's a good helper. We good. Like, he worked for me with like almost 2 years, but it's a good helper, hard worker. The day here, like on time, I like that.
Try to come in early, wait for the driver to pull up, then we start our route, just dumping cans. In the development, I'll be on the side of the truck, but if it's scattered, it's in and out majority of the day.
Team chemistry here is big. We don't have much turnover here in Millsboro, and we take pride in that because it makes a lot of things easier when people who show up to work know what they got to do and know what to expect year after year.
Everybody's family friendly around here. Talk about pretty much everything. Very respectful. Majority of the customers are nice. They treat everybody with respect.
For the most part here, the guys, we've got a great dynamic. Most of the guys are more than willing to help the other guys out if they run into a jam. Everybody gets on good, and I'm happy with that.